And he extradited Abu Trica edin call American, you na come FBI for na me see ameno kase no. O ma so ya o mu edin call court ene won sensem. Na eno ana government wan se bi ede abepiem e wo Ghana ha no mo. Lawyer Martin Kpebu abe clash the Attorney General Dr. Dominica Kurutinga aye ne was won tia se adentina na se Attorney General pre ne ho se obe extradite Abu Trica edin call ede ne wo mu a obebo na adwen ede Attorney General ama afia Vimlady so no abechirechire nsem no tirem se ebu no eyo no ane mfomso ana edina be wie bia ewie no me ma nchiribu no akire wa adwen e de amame e wo comment section ahi Penyah block media meswa se ni di mu obe like video na da ma bro subscribe button sa be click notification icon of latest update am akire wa adwen da amame e wo comment section oba so a no ache force enyo bia hwe me kan phone nala money sana pa de ama o USA o UK obe sense ka edbe fia aye nala na 26 obi in fact from promo code Penyah TV no be chow $20 for free. Omu transaction are very fast. O boss wa send na next can do Ghana. If ye queen na mu na asacho $20 freaking dollars. Say for ko talk about every. Let's go to say we see America last year December 2025 nimo. From 12 December no and buy say ya che Abu Trica. Agona Swedu Sikeni billionaire ya che no. Ni nyina say $8 million romance scam bi and money fraud bi. Watana Ghana ha no mo Ascame USA nationals to the sum of $8 million. Emma before his arrest, now FBI for Edin can add in the DNA in phone, and in the case, when you to Department of Justice, or official website, ESO, say on no Omu Hiano, Omu Air Penachin. And what she Yoko for inviting under the direction of what FBI, because FBI for an air penachin, Omu the petition, Ebre Ghana, so Omu here Abu Trica, Emma Yoko Equa Chin, Anasna, or Yoko for Semana Omu investigation. Emma Emu Krano. Edin kama ne be but o ma ne be na o mo ebe na be fie na ana narcotic force ekwache no narcotic control board force eche no just say na Abu Trica in fact na wa fast se mo pa e ma ekoba se abia fon ka se o mo hia Abu Trica se o mo fa ne mra Ghana fon fa ne mra wo mo e wo ma so ye it almost started some extradition request e ma be ka December ni mo kra no the state attorney general Dr. Dominica Kurutinga aye no ebe kasai say he will be so happy to hand over Abu Trica as he has done.
Principle of reciprocity applies, okay, and I would have been very happy to hand over Abu Trica as I have done.
I say he'll be so happy to hand over Abu Trica in exchange of Keneforiata as he has done. Meaning said December Mukrano and the state attorney general confirmed so no Abu Trica there. He's so happy to hand him over to the FBI. Emma put on and says you know man be no can't be no ana eba say Abu Trica so obesiu FBI obesiu NACOC obesiu Yoko just obesiu these three bodies for unlawful arrest and detention just say nsem no on so be man nsem be ye bibi e wo Ghana ha no mo as say cause asem no ejawo case no tun try but on be say obesiu mo say chemo cheno no wo man fa kwan papa so ene che no ana say go grant interview with Captain Smart ne ho no and I can't tell you question say na this whole arrest no crowd sika no na yes say dey no kofa buy and only acquired admit no hono say ampa we engage in fraud na sika na ye boarding $8 million no sika na enuru sa na between the $50,000 be what I say just hono we ko admit ye Abu Trica ko ji tumu say he has engaged in money fraud. But sikana ye body $8 million no and no na enye that amount that's a hono cry no first offense wajia tum e wo hono mo ema eba se FBI ka ese omu hia no tumi say file another extradition request ema o Ghana for approve that say o approve ye ema now no Abu Trica eko e just where is the twam ye no ana ye den fraud Delta airline e den ekopie e wa America ema Friday no ye den go gina mu court the federal court in Ohio e hono and the code ebo Abu Trica we tika chirem so no oni for odibem code na de boy nyina no odibem e de otiba front e hye na yemfa Abu Trica enko na nya adoma yebosim wesim no 8 August no yensan fa ne mra na yemedi na sem ne biem na ebubo ne de Abu Trica obetu akodam 20 years se bubo na no de amame no Abu Trica sem na sa abe so serious ne say Ghana ha according to our interview we with Captain Smart no you admitted say you've engaged in a money fraud. Why would you tumu? Now federal copy US court. Na kwa kana hono mo say udi for na udi bem onye bibia. That's Abu Trica no. To me no or making the case no worse. What I say. But yɛdena ɛkɔ yɛaremande no a yɛsa de no ba court hɔ on the 8th of August 2026. Now when arrest no the detention and extradition any nsɛm the state attorney general Dr. Dominic Akuritinga ayi na ɛka ya say he be so happy to hand over Abu Trica na ɛno ana lawyer Martin Kpebu on ase Martin so on say adentin na say Abu Trica because now according to extradition request kwa na ka bibia you be finalize on the 17th of this July 17th and can be determined as to whether say den be call ana ye fa ne ko ba say rush bi akosome the Abu Trica eko eno ana lawyer Martin Kpebu wa be fire government no any the state attorney general we ni nsɛm a ɔkae
would have extradited Abu Trica. Okay,
that was definitely going to come.
You know, we're hoping to delay it as much as possible until Oforiatta is also brought, or so that, or we do an exchange. At the time we are handing over Abu Trica and Daniel Yusuf and Co. Then we are receiving Oforiatta. So as for extradition, it wasn't a problem. The only problem is that Oforiatta is not coming early. So my point is that once there were proceedings, but this is not the first day we are making that point. So once there were proceedings before the court, you don't ignore the proceedings and take him. So it's contemptuous of the court. If Oliver chooses to file, there will be trouble. Once there are proceedings, and listen, it doesn't even matter that you are not aware. If you are not aware that there are proceedings and you do it, what it does is that's when I say you do it, that's you, excuse me, you undertake any conduct that renders the proceedings a nullity. Because when he says he wants stay of execution, etc., it means that don't send him yet. Don't extradite him yet. And it doesn't matter. That's why I say it doesn't matter that you know that, the judge will throw this thing out. That's not an excuse. Wait for the judge to throw it out. But it's not for you to look at it and say, this thing is so porous, it's so weak, banal. It will be thrown out. So ipso facto, you are sending the person out. No, we have a lot of decisions. In the second republic, under 69 constitution, there was a minister of interior, Dombo. This Olympian matter. Dombo was convicted of contempt. Straight. Or, well, sometimes you say we shouldn't use the word convicted because it's not a criminal offense. So maybe we can say was found liable or committed for contempt. No, it's not a criminal. But it's not the same as criminal. It's not. You don't get a criminal conviction when you are committed
and sentenced to serve.
Yes, but it's not. It's not a criminal offense. So you better say committed or found liable in contempt. Dombo, Minister of State, and in it the court made it clear that the fact that you don't even know that there is a court matter concerning what you've done is not an excuse. It doesn't mean that you are not liable in contempt. You'll be found liable, but when it comes to the punishment, because you didn't know at all that there was anything in the court, then perhaps that's when they will give you a warning or a fine, something small. But in this case, the Attorney General had been said that in this case, if Oliver is going to file contempt, it's not only against the Attorney General. It will involve my good friend Okujeto, the Foreign Minister, because we tell you extradition is a political matter, and even President Mahama, all of them. But then you begin to see that, hey, do you want to cite all of them for contempt? It will begin to look a bit unwieldy. I say so because I remember, you can ask her for your marking. The time Chief Justice Wood was Chief Justice, there was something President Mahama did. And then I think a pending proceeding, and then the government took an action. After your marking said, I will cite them for contempt outside. The Chief Justice Wood said, Mr. Markins, I advise you to think carefully about this thing.
Yeah, you could do it, but whether you could realize the same results is another matter.
I always remember it. Mr. Markins, I advise you to think carefully about this result. You are bringing your president to court for contempt, etc. I don't think Avenue Markins did it this filing. So I think that must have been 2015 or 2016. Yeah, I remember it being in court that day. So, but it's very shameful. It's a shameful thing. No, the government shouldn't have done that. Wait, what's the inordinate rush? So the point is that, is there a loan we are looking for from the U.S.? When you see this inordinate rush, it means that there is something we critically need from the U.S. at this point.
Is that your reading of this?
Yes. When things happen like this, where there's a matter pending before a judge, and you know that Ghanaians have become very savvy. They become savvy. Why this inordinate rush? So let's look and see what loan. The first thing you'll be thinking about is maybe government needs a loan Because to do this, to disrespect our court. No, it's not. It's analysis. I'm allowed to. No, you don't call it. It's an educated guess based on the way governments.
What I want to find out is, you say that the end objective of the extradition was definitely going to happen.
Most probably. As I said, provided they brought down Furiata. Then,
yes, so your issue was what we were going to, or what we were going to get in return.
Absolutely.
So why don't we just see how the coming days will look like? See what we're going to get in return.
Furiata is not coming within the next 6 months, right? It doesn't look like it because it's not even attended court once. So we don't even know whether. Look, in actual fact, let me tell you, some of the we took there when we talk. The OSP charges, the Americans have said it, that the charges don't look good. They don't look good. Yes. They don't look good. So we are now suturing the charges, trying to put them together, etc. Why I say you should resign, you don't understand. You can interview him. When we sent the packet, they said these charges you said, they are bogus. Ask Kisi Ejabi, interview him. So they are now trying to help suture the charges, do things. So Furiata is not about coming. Of course, though, you see, but when they say the things are bogus, it's not that I'm supporting the Americans. No. Okay. It can be a ploy to delay his coming. Because remember that Furiata has, what do you call him? Danny Ashcroft. Okay? Johnny Ashcroft is a lobbyist. So, you know, there are various ways of killing a cat. They can intentionally come and say, oh, your charges don't look good. Bring this, bring that. Dilly-dally. Dilly-dally, sir, before you realize 2 years. Then to say, your charges don't look good by our law. So we're trying to help you. So on the face of it, because the reason I'm saying that that's not a good reason is that, look, when you are the cousin to extradition, when they see the extradition is too difficult, what they do is rendition. They'll just pick you, bundle you, and bring you. Many from Afghanistan, Syria, those. America has rendered many people. You can Google and see the literature on rendition. I'm not supporting it, but I'm just saying that the reason I'm bringing it is that rendition hasn't stopped. When the U.S. finds it suitable to their national interest, they will just render you. They'll just pick the person and bring him. They don't correct this, do that. It can be a ploy. Because as long as rendition exists, if it were the case that the whole world has now accepted that rendition has been outlawed, no country can render any person, then I would believe them. So as long as there's rendition, meaning that in this case, if they were to render Ufuriata to Ghana, everybody would be happy because, why is the man hiding behind Johnny Ashcroft, the lobbyists, etc., to delay? That's what they're doing. Then they say, oh, go and amend this, your charges. Your charges have issues. This is missing. This is... No. I know. Yes, that can be there. But I'm also saying that it can be used as a ploy to delay its coming.
Right.
So far from what we're saying, Ufuriata is not near going to court. Because now they are suturing. I mean, when I say suturing, sorry, I don't know what I'm just saying. They are trying to tidy up, trying to amend the charges, tie them together, sew them together, and prop them up. That's what they're saying. But as I said, let's be careful. We cannot totally accept that. As long as there is rendition, they can render him. They can render Ufuriata to Ghana.
So that's another
it's an option
we can use. Okay, thank you. Now, so and bringing you on the Apiakobi.
Now, if you have been able to come say Abu Trica the Ako no, you no. O say interviewer Captain Smart and Abu Trica kwaye na mfa so bia in fact nyansen bia ni na Abu Trica nankasa and de no ho akoto asemu.
Abu Trica case wo ho ye nyina ye betimi esua ne ma fi Abu Trica case. Ghana constitution mu no wo right say ye chewa wo be ka se menkasa because omo macho na ye police for ne prosecutors no omo na mra ne mo adwuma so omo prosecute case ntia beyond reasonable doubt, which is all right against self-incrimination. Into better America, for sure, movie, I plead the fifth. Because of faith amendments, no, Emma Obiasa to me in a Ghana constitution, no, and the Mayan Suyebi, no, say, all right against self-incrimination. Into better Macasa Minkasa. Minim Abu Trica, the Obusa, no, and son, or Kotsna TV3 acquires interview, no, because we're conducting a Munina come until then. Because you see, say, ukotna bonten na ukasa. The entire America say, omo constitution, omo bibi e womu ye friend Miranda rights. Ghana so you will be say police for chewa. Or right say was ye chira with the entire ye chew. Na o charges ko edu e dey bo entire ye chew. America force wo Miranda right and also chese ye chewa e wo so mu read wo Miranda right chero sa asem na hwe America movie man no police for children so you have a right to remain silent, anything you say can be used against you in the court of law, you have a right to legal counsel. Sa asem na ye o mo ka no your friend Miranda rights enti wo Abu Trica sa America force wa ye bone wa America no machewa ye chewa wo right to remain silent. When you go TV station wako kasa no America for say if you say anything they can use it against you in the court of law. Now the issue they say as someone Abu Trica ko kan in interview in TV3 no police for na wa America no betumi use FBI for no betumi they can evidence against him and the question ejina court no so whether or not court no be gia to man usually so wa ko TV3 no na wan kasa ko kan say oh sika ne de e bi be kan sa why because I feel na FBI for no come go your homework o akoko ta ko prove say sika na fi ha ene ko ha na be kan sa. You don't have to prove anything. In fact, you don't have to even defend yourself. E was so more establish your case prima facie case say the lawyer for be kan was so mutumi kire say the say wa ko wie sika why your money laundering, why your romance scam, your key ingredient to ho na man ba no ka say we dey why your romance scam ABC the oka say be a couple winning in na ka ba konkra no man prove your case na just o muntu mi fa nkotum no into what continent radio station ko kas sika dey be kam wa ma FBI for na adwuma kra emre. It means niam kakra na omo won which is omo evidence bi a wa ma omo nya ba free e dey abeka ho say wan koye interview no and they have to prove beyond reasonable doubt say ampa o ye romance scam ampa ubo utiri mu pone nkrofo ye kana na se mbo ye romance scam. Indeed mo ye romance scam na wo so ni nyino mo kire evidence e chese ai mo ye romance scam en na sika no bi be kan won sa what I say we there what twa as there no shortcut am mo say ai sika no because the moment I be admit say sika no bi be kan won sa chese romance scam process no ka ho en na e be kan won sa. Why you homework na mo why Abu Trica why wama obusuan fosu wama lawyer accredit arrow because that interview I don't know so consulting the lawyer you shouldn't have done that interview. You see no mo ka say oh FBI for ade no mutumi ba Ghana be chinkofo no FBI for nka so mo otumi wo Ghana o Ghana is sovereign country omo nka so mo otumi wo Ghana omo say omo de omo ti om baby say wo nipa bi koye bone against Americans omo interest omo ena wa Abu Trica na nka sa unsu interview no chese makoye bibi I America for sika ene sika ni bi bedi wo na just America for mo interest abam into omo ma Ghana say by force omo ba Ghana omo ni Ghana for wo that's why me pese obi abema ye dey asemu ya politics no omo anka say omo ba chi obi wo Ghana mo so omo ni Ghana police ni yokofo na ye adwuma nti omo investigate we nya first time nkofo omo wia case ba Ghana omo ye some investigation na omo trace case ni bia bedu Ghana ma beje enya de ye nnenko a mind you Ghana ye ni America for prisoner exchange agreement nti FBI for omo an ba Ghana say obi ama omo kwan omo ne Ghana wa agreement nti no omo ba Ghana ha be che omo no there are so many occasions omo ba abechi nkrofo nti no asem na Abu Trica ka so o siwo court omo be di atwen because again Ghana constitution also ma obi a ye Ghanaian citizen the right to due process ti we fa due process nim afa the court say any to mean stop extradition in the any court America so constitution also ma obi a the right to due process just say the fact say they are good to do America nin say odi for there be still America constitution nin say was say FBI for no any say State Department no be prosecute you so because me I've seen his charges it be a federal offenses e be so a state offenses but ni nyina mu no emra ne say e wo say wonya due process nti your rights of a lawyer in America or right a lawyer ni di na semma no or right a full process obefa ni nyina mu ju e be hwe say their case be play out but I think be brave for so no so hwe omo a my romance scam ni be e de ko adu abo omo e de omo I extradite omo from Ghana to America now before FBI for do be do court nko na to omo a chunk of evidence against you because almost sorry keken kochi obi yen twen na yen hu how the legal process now of America will play out for him
obetuma chere wa adwen e de amame e wo comment section how you Penyah Block Media.